Hello everyone, good day. I am Ardel Salapang and I will be discussing about the topic in Module 4, which is the instructional design models using the Pecha-Kucha presentation. So what is instructional design? There are a number of definitions for instructional design with slight variations between them, but the description boils down to something like this. It is the process by which instruction is improved through the analysis of learning needs and systematic development of learning experiences. Instructional designers often use technology and multimedia as tools to enhance instruction. Is the PAC model? It is the technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge framework that describes the kinds of knowledge required by teachers for the successful integration of technology in teaching. It suggests that teachers need to know about the intersections of technology, pedagogy, and content. How is TPAC used in the classroom? It is by incorporating technology in the classroom often causes a change in how the materials is taught. Let's say, for example, when a teacher uses an instructional video clip for a topic that they use to model on the board. So why is TPAC model important? As previously noted, TPAC is essential to enabling teachers to implement ICT in their teaching, as it enables teachers to select and use hardware and software. It identifies the affordances of specific features and use the tools in pedagogically appropriate and effective ways. Let's move forward to Assure model. It is a procedural guide for planning and delivering instructions that integrates technology and media into the teaching process. It also refers to a systematic approach of writing lesson plans that helps teachers in organizing instructional procedures. So what are the 6 steps of Assure model? First is analyze learners. Second, state goals and objectives. Third, select methods and media. Fourth, utilize media and technology. Fifth, require learner participation. Last is evaluate and revise the blended learning strategy. Then, what is the importance of Assure model? The Assure places the focus on the learner and the overall outcome of accomplishing learning objectives. Its main perspective is on how to integrate media into instruction in a method capable of producing the desired learning outcomes. Let's go to the ABI model. It is an instructional systems design framework that many instructional designers and training developers use to develop courses. And these are the 5 phases of process for developing instructional materials, which is analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. So we have here the analyze. The instructional designer clarifies the problem to be addressed with an instructional invention, defines the training need, and conducts an extensive audience analysis to determine the instructional environment, pre-existing knowledge, skills and abilities, opportunities, and constraints. Design. The instructional designer writes learning objectives and determines the instructional strategies that will be utilized to achieve those objectives. Decisions are made about how the instructional materials will look, feel, operate, and be delivered to the learner. Storyboards and learning prototypes are created then. Develop. Content is assembled and incorporated into the design to produce the instructional or performance support materials. Deliverable is reviewed for quality and revised. We also have here the implement. The finished course or performance support tool is rolled out to the intended audience and its impact is monitored. And lastly, we have here the evaluate. The instructional designer uses various methods to determine whether the course or performance support tool is delivering the expected results. So let's move forward to Pecha-Kucha. What is Pecha-Kucha presentation? It is a format that uses 20 slides or images that are displayed for 20 seconds each. The slide will more automatically as the presenter is speaking. This format ensures that speaker is concise.